Hello friends. So today let's have a look what is view encapsulation in Angular. So this is our application. This is the form, and in this form we have a label and inputs, right? So what we have done, we have in the style.scss, we have added this uh, class. Okay? So on this class we have added text decoration underline. So what happens when we add a style, some CSS in this style, right? It gets applied to the entire application. So if I add one more label here and by a class form label, form. So this is our form, and this label is outside of the form. Right? And if you see, yeah. So if you see this label, the style has been applied to this as well. Right? Underline style has been applied to this as well. But what if we want to make this style specific to form only, right? So I mean, we want to apply this underline only to the labels which are inside the form, and we do not want to touch anything, any label which is outside this form. So in Angular, this can be done through this SCSS file. So whenever you create a component, right, Angular component, you have this file, which is component.scss, and inside the TS file you'll see like styles URLs, which takes an array. So if you see form.component.scss is defined, which is this, and you can add a multiple style, parser, multiple style files, right? So what I'll do, I'll remove this form label class from here and move it to the forms.component.scss. Let's see what happens. So now if you see the label which is outside the form component, that underline is removed, and the labels which are inside the form, the underlines are still there. So what this basically means is, whatever styles you write inside this components style file, right? This is component specific file. Whatever styles you add here will be applied to that component only, and it will not get applied to anything which is outside, or you can say like if there is a component which is a child of this component, these styles won't be applied to that, and it won't be applied to anything which is outside this component. So how does this Angular does this, right? So let's go here again and see how does Angular does this. So if you see, if you inspect this, you will see this class like form label is applied to this identifier, right? What is this identifier? If you come here, you will see this attribute, right? So if you see, whatever is there in the app form, inside app form, the same attribute is applied. App form has a div, the same attribute is applied. All the labels, same attributes. Then the div again, then the labels again, same attribute is applied, or you can say identifier is applied to all the elements of that component. So basically, this is how Angular differentiates, right, between different components. What is inside? What is one component, right? So this identifier helps Angular to identify what is that one component to which the styles are need to be applied. So this is what is called as view encapsulation. Like view of the styles of that one component is compact, or it's kind of encapsulated, right? So Angular creates unique attributes for all the components, and these attributes helps Angular to apply styles that are specific to that component only. Okay? So I hope this video made some sense, like understand view encapsulation. Um, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.